Yeah, zebra.
Lion. What is that? Hey, what is that?
Giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Oh no. It's a snake. It's a snake.
Maddie, don't do it for him. Just let him go back and touch it twice. It's fine.
But it doesn't register his little fingers.
It does.
Rhino.
Rhino. What is that? What is that? Hey, what is that?
Monkey.
It's a monkey. Oh no.
Gorilla.
He's also got carbon credits to account for the fuel Earth race burns.
What is that?
Parrot.
He's a parrot. What is that? What is that? It's a buffalo.
Buffalo.
Yes, it is a buffalo. Oh no, what is that?